In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this assembly. It's part of the Button Maker project, and it is the handle subassembly. I'm going to start out by going to my projects directory, projects command, and I'm going to verify that there's a check next to my Button Maker project, and I'm going to hit done. I'm going to start out by creating a new assembly. I'm going to place my first component, and that's going to be the insert, item number 3. Hit escape to finish. And I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to ground the part so that it can't move. I'm going to bring in some other parts. I'm going to place the sleeve, item number 2. I'm going to place that just right there. Hit escape. I'm going to place the handle body, item number 25. Place that there. And then one other part, I'm going to place the item number 4, this set screw, and I'll just set that there. So I'm going to start out by placing this rubber handle onto the insert. So I'm going to create a constraint, and I am going to insert and I'm going to select the bottom of this handle, and I'm going to place it on the very bottom. You have to zoom in and hit this chamfered surface here, and that'll place that. Hit apply. Now I'm going to place this insert. I'm going to select this, the very bottom outer diameter. Select that. And I'm going to rotate and select the bottom of the hole and hit apply. I'm going to insert again, and I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to select this radius here, that diameter, and I'm going to place it, I'm going to try to catch this diameter here. I'm going to select other, and the edge axis vector, select that, and hit apply. I want to verify that my assembly is correct. So I'm going to create a cross section. I'm going to go to View, and this tool here, cross section, I'm going to create a half section view, and I'm going to come over here to my browser, and I'm going to go select the XY plane, and that cross sections my part, and if I zoom in, I could see that my insert goes right up to the very bottom of the rubber handle. My set screw goes right to the bottoms out on the threaded portion of the insert, and it goes into the handle, and it's the handle is bottoms mates perfectly with the insert. The body mates with the insert. Notice one thing, that they Project Lead the Way, when they designed this part, there's a little bit of an overlap here with the rubber part, but the rubber would be compressed when it's inserted into this assembly. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off this cross section by selecting this one more time, and it turns it off. I'm going to place the remainder of the parts. I'm going to come up to, go back to assembly, place. I'm going to place the item number 34, and I'm going to place 2 of those. I'm going to place item 33, place 2 of those. And item 35, 2 of those. One more, I'm going to place the screws. Item 36. I'm going to hit escape to end. I'm going to start out by constraining. The first part to go in is this little spacer. I'm going to do the insert. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to select this. This edge here is chamfered. I need to select this outermost chamfer, not down here, but right there. I'm going to go to the threaded hole, and I'm going to select this diameter here. That places that. Hit apply. Zoom out again, and come in and do the insert command again. I'm going to zoom in here, and I want to grab this diameter here, not the inner chamfered diameter, but this outer diameter. Select there. And I want to place it, align it here on that diameter there. And one thing I noticed that it's flipped. It's actually inside the body, so I'm going to select here to flip it the other way around. Hit apply. I'm going to mate one more time. Zoom in here, this spacer. Select that diameter. And I'm going to mate it with that diameter. You notice that I need to flip it one more time. Flip that so that it's not inside the other part. And lastly, I'm going to place this screw. I have to hit apply. Insert. I'm going to select this radius, this diameter here. Rotate this back around. And I'm going to select that diameter there. Hit apply. I'm going to create another cross section so I can see if my assembly is in fact correct. So I'm going to cancel out of this. I'm going to create a new plane. Select this down arrow, and I'm going to create a plane parallel to another plane and through a point. So I want it parallel to this surface here, and I'm going to have it go through the center of this hole. So I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to pick this center of that screw, of the recess, the center right there. And if I zoom out, you'll see I've created a plane that goes right through the center of that screw. So I'm going to create a cross section now. Go back to view, and this tool here, I'm going to do a half section, and I'm going to select this plane. And now, if you zoom in and rotate, you can take a look at the assembly you've created, and you can see that things in fact are lined up. The outer spacer is flush with the surface of the body, and so is the inner bearing is flush with the surface, and they're all concentric. This spacer is concentric these surfaces are all flush and looks correct. So I'm going to turn section off, come back up here and turn half section off, and you could this plane you've created, you could turn the visibility off. And so that's one side, and I'll leave doing the other side for the student as an exercise. So save this as subassembly handle. Make sure it's in your button maker folder, and we'll be creating an exploded view drawing of this assembly.